Who's that from?
My.
Who's that from?
Is that from Ho Ho Ho?
Yeah, just.
All right, keep going, tear into it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Whoa! Oh, what's that?
Oh, okay, we're gonna open it right
Julia,
now.
do you like that gift?
Yeah!
Are you sure? Oh boy.
She get excited about. Oh, that one she wanted so
Julia, what did you get? Julia, look at me. What did you get?
This.
What is it?
My doctor.
Yeah,
Whoa.
your doctor.
Aren't you lucky?
What's this?
It's for you. It's to remember the blood pressure.
Bunkers. Bunkers. Ashy. What do you got there?
The doggy? What did doggy say, Ashy?
Fuck, fuck. Fuck, fuck.
What did? Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Ashlyn.
Have it. I'm just taking all your pieces out for you. You can put the doctors on your dollies. On your piggy if you want.
Julia.
Okay, Pete.
Julia.
First.
Miss. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. Ooh.
How'd that go on?
My ear.
Yeah, that's right. It goes on your.
Doggy. Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Daddy.
We still have a few more gifts to open, girls.
You want to open more presents? Or should we have breakfast and then open more? What do you guys want to do? You want to have breakfast and then open more? Mama has to make the stones and stuff.